Hello, and thank you for tuning in to the first in my video series, Indicted and Facing Prison, Now What? My name is Mark Blattstein, and in 2006, I was indicted and pled guilty to a felony and lost my medical license. With hard work, I was able to get it reinstated back in 2010, but to call this a surreal experience is an understatement. My goal in this series is to provide you with the crucial information you'll need to survive and navigate these times. I'll provide you with a new topic every day so that you can move forward with knowledge, preparation, and confidence, and the confidence you'll need to get the best outcome. Since you're already aware the Department of Justice and Feds have been asking questions, it goes to prove that their case against you is mostly complete. And with a 98% conviction rate, the odds are that you'll be spending at least some time in prison. Knowledge is power, and now that it's in your hands, delaying to take the next step is going to be at your peril. The consequences of inaction are severe. Equally important is hiring a legal defense team that just doesn't have experience, but has a proven track record of successfully defending cases like yours. Your future's at stake, and it's crucial to make the right choices now. Should you have any questions, don't hesitate to call and consider engaging my services at 240-888-7778, as this is your life and your future. Federal Judge Robert Scalia suggested at one point that criminal judges should take cues from their counterparts who handle death penalty cases and give due consideration to sentencing advocacy early as possible. You've just been notified that the FBI has an interest in you. Which of these sounds familiar? Were you involved in a PPP or other loan type fraud? Have you heard rumors that the authorities have been asking questions? Did legal or illegal drugs, alcohol, gambling, or other factors contribute to your charge? If you're already at this point and don't have the time to wait for my future videos in this series, please give me a call as we can discuss your situation one-on-one. Again, my number is 240-888-7778. In the federal system, the Department of Justice and the FBI have a 98% conviction rate. So if you received a target letter, you've heard rumors, or the FBI showed up at your door wanting to have a conversation, then their information against you is almost totally complete. Legal representation now is a must. And then the second most important thing is being able to prepare for your pre-sentence interview and report comprehensively. Judges already know that your attorney is paid to keep you out of jail. The Department of Justice wants a conviction. The prosecutor thinks that you've created all the world's sins and they need to protect society from you because you represent everything that is wrong. The only person that the judge knows nothing about is you, the defendant. Now is your time to show the court that you started on the right path. And by doing that, the Department of Justice has their narrative that they've already written about you, your story, your autobiography, and it's called the indictment, which has been released through the global World Wide Web. Attorneys know the law, but they're not going to know your personal history, which could help them in defending you in this legal case. And so, should you choose to engage my services or have your concerns answered, call me today at 240-888, as this is my personal cell, and I return all calls. Otherwise, I look forward to speaking with you as I continue on this series. Have a safe day. Thank you for tuning in.